Galaxy Watch and Gear S3 fans could soon be treated to a major Samsung upgrade. The Galaxy Watch and Gear S3 are expected to be superseded by a new Samsung wearable, and a new leak may have revealed when this reboot is arriving. Samsung could have a busy time ahead. The Korean technology firm is already planning a major event next month where it is expected to reveal its all-new and fully refreshed Galaxy Note 10 smartphone. Now it seems a new wearable is also in the making, and it looks set to replace the current Galaxy Watch and Gear S3. There's already been plenty of rumors circulating about this new device, including a codename that Samsung is apparently using whilst it's in development. SamMobile is reporting that this next-gen wearable is currently being called Renaissance by the Korean tech firm. Although not much else is known about the Renaissance, it seems almost certain that Samsung will boost the internal specs of this watch, with it getting plenty of extra power, improved battery life and brighter always-on display. We can also expect there to be some upgrades to the design and improvements to the fitness features. This could be especially important as the rival Apple Watch continues to lead the way with options such as taking a heart-tracing ECG from your wrist. One final rumor is that Samsung might bring a digital bezel to their next watch, which would replace the current physical spinning wheel found on the firm's current devices. To back this rumor up, a trademark was recently spotted which suggests the physical mechanism is set for history books. Now it seems we might know more about when this watch will actually hit stores, with a document, posted on Slashleaks, claiming to show a launch schedule. If true, it appears that Samsung is set to release two sizes of the Galaxy Watch, 44mm and 40mm, in Q3 of this year. This would tally with reports that the firm is going to announce this new tech timepiece during its Unpacked event in August. That major event is taking place in New York on August 7th. There's still no official confirmation about what is set to be revealed by Samsung, but it could be an exciting few weeks ahead for fans of the Note series phones and wearables.